Ever wonder what happened to the stars of Dance Moms after the glitter settled and the cameras stopped rolling? It's been years since the Abbey Lee Dance Company dominated our screens, um, but the dancers have continued to chase their dreams, forging paths both familiar and unexpected. Um, let's take a look at where they are today. For Nia Sue, the bond with fellow dancer Chloe Lukasiak remains strong. Uh, they frequently connect, especially when Chloe is in New York. A recent shared experience was attending a performance by Misty Copeland, a moment they both cherished. Um, Chloe even penned a foreword to Nia's upcoming memoir, a gesture that means the world to her. Nia's journey hasn't been without its challenges. And she reflects on the dynamics within the dance company and acknowledges the influence of adults on the young dancers, despite past hurts. She's grateful for the experiences that have shaped her, leading her to advocacy work, an Oval Office visit, and interviews with prominent figures like Kamala Harris. But navigating relationships hasn't been easy. Uh, while she respects those who maintain a connection with Happy Lee Miller, Mia has drawn a firm line. She prioritizes her own well-being and chooses to move forward without those connections. Now, Nia is focused on her own success from her memoir to exploring new creative avenues, and she's embracing life's opportunities and confident in the path she's chosen. Maddie Ziegler, after captivating audiences on stage and screen, continues to thrive. She's expanded her career beyond dance, appearing in Sia's directorial debut, the West Side Story remake, and the 2024 film My Old Ass. She also authored a best-selling memoir and lent her voice to a new generation of talent on So You Think You Can Dance. And also, Kenzie Ziegler hasn't slowed down either. She's released albums, starred in web series, and juggles a busy schedule with her sister. Together, they launched the Take 20 podcast, offering a glimpse into their authentic selves. To Chloe Lukasiak has found success as an entrepreneur, launching the Elevate National Dance Competition. Although the competition has ended, she remains passionate about dance and continues to teach, striving to create a positive environment for young dancers. Brooke Highland is also carving her own path. And most of us say often making more subject with seeing that, also this stuff that we made back to her. She and her sister Paige share the Highland Sisters brand, showcasing their shared passions. And Forrest, Paige Highland continues to shine as a dancer and influencer. She's balancing her career with her personal life, enjoying adventures and documenting her travels for her fans. Kendall Wirtz has blossomed into a multi-talented performer, touring with Kendrick Lamar and performing on major stages. She's living her dream and captivating audiences with her talent and dedication. Jojo Siwa has become a global icon, inspiring millions with her positivity and energy. She's a successful singer, dancer, and entrepreneur, continuing to push boundaries and embrace her authentic self. Bring Room Follow has transitioned from the dance floor to a thriving online presence, sharing her adventures and connecting with fans. She's embracing new opportunities and enjoying the journey. And that's just a glimpse into the lives of these incredible women. They've overcome challenges, embraced new opportunities, and continue to pursue their dreams, proving that the spirit of Dance Moms lives on. As they say, the show must go on, and these dancers are ready to take center stage. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,